Huawei has introduced Nova Y73. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Smartphone powered by Kiran 710H 40 nanometer chipset with the addition of octa-core CPU. There will be 6.67 inches screen size. The smartphone will come with 8 GB of RAM and storage will be 128 and 256 GB. There will be dual camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel. Smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. The fancy white gold color option and the green leather back options are also available. Battery will be big one and that will be 6620 mAh with 40-watt fast charging support. The base model available price is $205 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.